Francis McMahon is with Canon Solutions America. Francis, nice to see you again.
Hey, Roger, great to see you.
How you doing?
I've had a terrific day. And yourself?
This is a great show.
Well, attendance is up is what I hear. We've been very busy, and as we talked about a little earlier, the very best part about Print 13 is just seeing everybody and being together as one big community.
Well, since the Canon bought OSE and all this, everything else that's associated with that, tell us about the new Canon Solutions and how that concept is working as a company for you.
Yeah, it's been 9 months now. It's been a fantastic 9 months for us, and in that 9 months, Canon Solutions America has been comprised now of our Enterprise Solutions and Services organization, as well as our Production Solutions organization, and our Large Format organization. And working together collectively, what we've been able to do is do more for our customers, and that's been the biggest benefit. A couple examples of that would be we've been able to increase our service coverage, which has been critically important, especially for our production print customers. Not only the turnaround times that we can provide, but parts availability. It's just been a much stronger answer for the customer. Also here at the show, we introduced a new product, and the code name for that product that we're using today is Niagara. And we're demonstrating and talking about the product, and that's a joint effort between Canon and the former OSE. So our R&D organizations have been talking or working together, and we're being able to bring the best of both technologies from Canon and OSE together to bring new products to market. So from an R&D perspective, we have that as well.
Is that aimed at a particular segment of the market?
Great question, Roger. It is. Inkjet in itself has really proliferated well across the transactional side of the business, as well as graphic arts. And when I say graphic arts, I also include book publishers inside of that. So you'll see from our Niagara product, which is a cut sheet inkjet technology, that will capture hopefully a good portion of all of those markets with this new inkjet technology that we're bringing to market.
Well, I know this is kind of off the beaten path for Print Show 13, but you've been involved for quite some time, I understand, with the Future Writers Project.
That's right.
Tell us about it and where that's gone and where it's headed.
You know, I smile with that one because a big part of OSE and Canon coming together and why the integration has worked so well is that Kyosei is really the foundation behind the Canon culture. And Kyosei means living and working together for the common good. So projects like the Future Authors program, you know, we do a lot within the industry, but then we also have to help the communities in which we're involved in. So we work with a select number of students in Palm Beach County, and we provide, through Canon, we provide, working with teachers, 2 weeks of writing classes for those students over the summer, and they get a chance to hone their skills with us. We bring in professional authors, and then we select some of the best pieces that they've put together, and we create a book. And we publish that book, and these students become published authors at a very young age. And again, it's kind of our way of giving back, and it truly does tie to our industry because it is book publishing, but at the same time we're helping these kids really grow in terms of their creative ability.
And gives them an identity.
Exactly.
It's wonderful. It's
been fun, and you'll hear more about that this year as we're sponsoring it again, and the workshops have already started and the book's starting to get created.
Where do you see the graphics industry going in the next foreseeable future?
Well, you know, interesting you say that because as I'm celebrating, I think, my 24th year, meeting up with a lot of friends, and now we've got kids going into college.
You started in grade school.
Exactly, that's exactly when I started, Roger. And what we were kidding about was, look, we got to make sure this industry goes at least another 15 to 20 years because we got to get these kids that we have through college. But on a serious note, I think the key to all of us is really understanding the power behind communications and the fact that our markets and our world is changing, and to embrace technology but continue to provide innovative technologies, which we're helping to lead at Canon, and make sure that we're connecting print and web and mobile technologies and the future technologies that our children are going to bring to us, so that we in turn can make sure that our wonderful community of print survives and thrives moving forward.
Well, it's been a pleasure having you here.
Thanks, Roger.
I certainly appreciate you taking the time. Busy day.
Great day, and thank you for taking time.
Say hello on myprintresource.com for Print Show 13.